Hello guys, Crypto Mike is here, and today I'm gonna talk about BTC, a quick overview. Okay, let's see how it is and what it might happen next. So what actually happened? So the thing is, first it starts with this one. Okay, so the first sign that BTC gave us that it will go down, it was this one here, the second peak, because on the first one we form a resistance. Okay, and on the second swing high, this one, it got rejected at the same level, so that means that it will go lower. So actually it went lower around 63k, which now 63k acts as a strong resistance. Okay, so keep that in mind, it's a very strong resistance now. 63k, and here this swing, it was a fail one, because it failed to reclaim this one. So even this one too. Okay, so that was a fail, and once it's fail, it go lower. Okay, so that's the rule. Okay, so it went lower back in the accumulation zone. I told you which was the trading zone back then for BTC. The bottom of the range was this level here, around 58k, and it actually broke down, because from here it did not have enough it wasn't strong enough to reclaim previous levels. And okay, let's go on daily. I want to show you something also. So right now this is an important level here, also a support level around 54k, 55k, 54k 900, and also on this level we have 0.5 fibs. Okay, so this is a pretty strong support, I might say, and actually the main support is this one here from 52.9. okay, 52k. This is the main support. So what BTC it's gonna do, at some point, so it can happen from here, it can bounce from this level. Come on. So it can bounce from this level, or it can bounce from this one, from one of these two. Okay, I'm pretty sure it cannot go lower with not making another swing high, and I'm gonna explain why. So here we have one second, let me just write it. So here we have higher high, right? Here we have a higher high. Okay, and now we do a higher low. Yes, we're gonna do a higher low. Once this swing, it's done, this swing low. From here we're gonna do another swing high, but it won't be a higher high, it will be a higher low. So I'm looking around this level, okay, to have this swing high. So it goes like this. Okay, from here we're gonna do a swing high. So this the next swing high, it's gonna be a higher low. Okay, the next swing high, it's gonna be a higher low. So I'm 99% it's gonna have a rejection here around 63k. Okay, it cannot go higher in one swing. Okay, so it cannot go higher from the first swing high, so it's gonna do a higher low. The recommendation for me is also this higher low. So okay, so this higher low, it can create another downtrend. Okay, so this higher low, it can create another downtrend. Okay, so actually from here it can go even lower. Okay, but that's not really what it can happen. Okay, because here we have an accumulation zone. So actually if we look back, okay, right now BTC in this zone, this is actually an accumulation zone. Okay, so it accumulate here and it can break up, okay, or down. The next zone, this one, it's also an accumulation zone. Okay, we had here for 1 month accumulation. So these two zones are accumulation zones, and above this zone it's a break, below this zone it's a break, so it's gonna have a stronger reaction, okay, up or down, once these zones are getting broke. So my advice, I will exit around 80% when from my position when we're gonna do this swing high. Okay, because from here it can happen actually two things, and it's like flipping a coin, so I don't want to risk it. So from here it can accumulate and go higher, but also from here it can go lower. So once it's gonna bounce from this level or at this level, it's gonna do a swing high, the market will grow. Okay, once it's near this level here around 63k, I'm gonna exit most of my position and I'm gonna wait and see if we break this 63k resistance, then I'm gonna enter new position. If we do not gonna break this 63k resistance, I'm not gonna enter the market for some time. Either I wait to dump okay, and buying the dips, either I wait to see if we break this resistance. But I know that some of you have your portfolio, it's in red, maybe in minus, maybe on some coins. So once the market it's gonna go up with this swing high, once it's BTC it's gonna reach in this area, it's I will exit my position, okay? Because I don't want to get stuck, okay? I don't want to get stuck. Once the BTC it's gonna reclaim levels, and once BTC is gonna build another bullish structure, okay, I will enter new positions. But right now we had a break in the market structure, okay? Right now with this break from 58k we had a break in the market structure, okay? The market structure is still looks good on a higher time frame, but it's shaken, okay? So it's fragile. With this break from 58k it's fragile, okay? But still looking good on a higher time frame. If we go on 3 days, 1 week, it's still bullish, it's still good, but it's fragile, okay? Also here you have the levels, the next support levels. So we have this one here, we have this important one for 52k, 52.9, this one here from 50k, and this one here for 48k. It doesn't matter lower, because once we break this 50k, I don't think we go again up for some time, okay? So if we go on weekly, let's go on weekly. Yeah, it's still looking good, yeah. So once we do not break the 52k, it's looking good on weekly, okay? It's looking good. Here we have the main trend line. This is the main trend line on weekly. Okay. Okay, so right now it's fine, but you should guys take care. I will let's go on 4 hour to see if we have anything here. Not really. 1 second. So right now we have this downtrend, and here we have another one. Okay, let's go on 1 hour time frame. Let's see what we have here. And we have this one here. Actually, I think we can do like this, yes. Yeah, so this is a swing high, swing low actually. Okay, so it must break up at some point and do this swing high, and here I will exit most of my position, and I will stay away until I see a clearer view of the market. So we have these downtrends here, I just spot something and I want to for you guys to show you. So here we have a spot, this spot here. So if we do the swing high, and if it will be in this area, it's good to short. Okay, so I am 99% sure that a lot of traders will position here for a short. Okay, this is how this short is actually the most used technique for companies to short, for institution to short here. Okay, so this is a good short. You can actually do a high leverage short here. Yeah, so if I am active at this at that time, I will post this short. Okay, if I miss it, well, I will just wait for the next one. So this spot is good for short. Okay, you'll see that it's gonna have a rejection here. So actually here you can do like 50x leverage or even higher if you want. Stop loss will be very low, so stop loss should be no more than 1%. Okay, very low. Yeah, so that was all for today. There is not much to say. We wait for this bounce. Sorry. Either it happens from this support here, or so from this one or this one. Okay, it can happen from these two, I'm pretty sure, but it actually can happen from this one and from here to go up, do that swing high. But also you can do this, so let's do like this. There is another possibility, so from here it can bounce. Okay, oh sorry, 1 second, let me turn this off. So from here it can bounce, and here around 60k it's gonna have a rejection. It can go lower to this level here, and from here it can actually do this swing high. So there is two possibilities. From this level it can go to do this swing high, or it can reject here and go lower, and from here it can do this swing high. So there are two possibilities. We will see which one will happen. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and take care. Have a nice day.